Halkova is the 90s popular sweet in India and other South Asian countries. This recipe brings back those childhood memories with a simple and traditional method. Here is how you can make it at home. Let's get into the video. Add half cup of ghee. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously. Stir continuously on medium flame. Cook for about 5 minutes. Now turn off the flame. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Now frequently add 1 cup of sugar powder and mix well. Mix thoroughly with your hand. Make fine dough. Put this dough on butter paper and roll with the rolling pin. By using this small bottle cap, you can make circles. Garnish with dry fruits of your choice. Super quick and super tasty 90s special Halkova sweet recipe is ready. Try this recipe and comment below. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.